Hi, let's take a look at one of the many social issues in Singapore. The issue at hand is very prominent and yet is still neglected by many, the issue of work-life balance. Here we have Andy, an average Singaporean who enjoys sports as well as spending time with his daughter. Unfortunately, he finds himself unable to manage time between his social life and work life. Do not worry, Andy, you're not alone. Statistics shows that 55% of Singaporeans admit to poor work-life balance. Additionally, there's an obvious trend of Singaporeans who are becoming more unsatisfied with their work-life balance. This is not surprising as Singapore is one of the highest countries with long working hours. So how do people normally improve their work-life balance? Well, they use a calendar. However, this can be frustrating and tedious to use. So let's just toss that aside. Now we'll show you a better solution. Introducing the LetsMeet, a smart calendar that will effectively guide the user towards their desired work-life balance. You must be wondering how it does that. Welcome to the LetsMeet homepage. Here, the users can see the date and time as well as the upcoming events they have set for this date. With a smooth and well-designed toolbar, users can enjoy quick and easy access to many of its core features. Let us illustrate the first feature, the Smart Calendar. Here is where the users can customize their schedule and view events on certain days. The pointer will display the schedule of the user for that date, and the user can move the pointer around and click on the plus arrow to add an event on that day. If the user do not like this design, they can click settings and modify their preference. The smooth and liquid-like UI will help users effortlessly choose and modify their schedule without the frustration of many modern calendar applications. Next is the Work-Life Balancer. Users can input their desired work-life ratio that they would like to achieve. For instance, they can add a target of 7 work to 3 life. The application will then start to guide the users towards this goal. If the users are unsure of what their desired ratio should be, they can select some of our preset options. And based on what they have selected, the application will customize and give recommendations such as dinners or dates with friends who are also free on that time slot. The third feature will provide the users with valuable statistics based on their schedule. Here, the users can see their progress towards a healthier work life as well as infographics on their schedule. The application will provide feedback and recommendation on how they can improve their work-life balance. Finally, we'll have a reward system which will utilize a GPS and a handshake feature to reward users for spending time with their friends and family. These points can be exchanged for great rewards such as discounts and vouchers. But the greatest reward would be